Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done some recording. Been super busy. I'll give you guys an update on that a bit later. I've got a sticker that says heavy. I almost threw this box over my shoulder because I'm bracing myself. This box is not heavy. Anyway, right, so I am super excited. I bought some goodies from Happy Planner. So let's get into it. Right. Ooh, so excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox and then we'll have a look at whether or not I actually got everything. Ooh, look at the shiny. So some of this is for me, some of this is for my mum, and some of this is for my friend. Ooh, look at it. So they've had a buy one get one on some of their sticker books. So hence all the sticker books. Right. So I got some notebooks as well, and I got my mom a faith planner. So let's just have a quick look see. So it took quite a while to get here because probably took them about 4 or 5 days before they actually shipped my order. Let's see what we get under order. Right guys, I'll be right back. Alright. Okay, so we're back. Let's start off with note paper, half sheet. This is half sheet note paper. Right, so this was, all these amounts are all going to be in American dollars. Obviously I had the conversion rate, so we've got our half sheets, then we've got our full sheets. I really like this one because it almost has like a bullets next to it, because I do a lot of you know, checklist type stuff at work, so this is, I like that I'm able to, you know, mark it off and then tick it off. And these I got to do my budget on, these half ones. Right, what's next? Then we've got Deco Weekend. So this is this one. So you can see from this three here, you can see this is what the deco pens are. So you've got a Weekend, a Heart, and New Adventures. Ooh. Then we've got Holiday. So I got something a bit Christmassy, because we love Christmas in our house. And then we've got Focus. Focus. There we go. Focus. Right. Then we have Classic Happy Notes. This is for the faith. I'm not going to open it because this one is for my mum. But that's that one. And then I got me Happy Notes. Because why not? And I was looking at this kitty cat. I need to show you this cat. It's because it's so cute. Look at that cat. He's so impressed. Or she is, because she's got a pink bow tie. Okay, so that's the notes. And then they've got dividers inside as well. Oh, I thought it was lined. Oh well, it's not lined. It's grid. What do you call those? Dotted grid lines. It's fine. So Your Magic. the one. And then the good stuff. Yes, the Happy Planner stuff is the good stuff. And then life is beautiful and so are you. Aww. Here we go. I had to read upside down, so it took me a second there. Right, so that is the notes. Oh, they've got mini discs on them, which is fine. I can use those discs anyway. Right, so this is Mum's planner. My notes. Then I got her a deluxe to put her planner in. She didn't want a hardcover like I have for mine. She wanted something more like a traditional Filofax type thing. Okay, this thing is huge. Anyway, right, so that's that. So a quick rundown on prices again. So the both notepads were $6 each. The pens were $2.99 each. All of this has reduced prices as far as I could tell. The Happy Notebook, this one, was $11. Then the Faith Happy Notes was $11 as well. And then the deluxe cover was $25. Okay, so now we are in the sticker books. So what do we have here? So this is the Happy Planner to-do stickers. I think it is. Yes, to-do stickers. So I wonder whether I should do a flip through video, because these are actually quite a lot of sticker books. So we got the to-do stickers Bright for $6. Again, because I've got so many checklisty type stuff that I do, I wanted to get something with a bit more to do tick boxes. So that's that one. Then we've got a Don't Forget. So where would that be? Okay. Oh, so daisy. Ooh, crikey. Okay, then we have it's called Stickers Don't Forget, and that was $3.49. That one, and you can see at the back what's included. That's that one, and this was the Bright, and that's what's included in that one. Okay, phew. Then I got a couple of double ups, because some of these are for my friend. So let's have a look. Still trying to figure out where they have the name of what the sticker book. Color Stories. Okay, that matches that one. Ooh, Memory Keeper. That one. Rainbow. Fitness. Memory Keeper Dates. Holidays. What is this? Okay, so we're going to try and see which ones of these actually match up. Okay, so dates and holidays. So it's called, doesn't have, I don't know where you actually see. It's called Happy Memory Keeping Value Pack. So Happy Memory Keeping, there we go. Right, and we got 2 of those. Ooh, oh wow, there's a lot of dates in here. Note to self, vacation date, day off, important. I need to put a lot of day offs in because I deserve that. Baby, it's cold outside. First day of spring, first day of winter. Hello spring. Oh, these are pretty. Less Monday, more summer. You see, that's the thing, it doesn't really matter, you know. Work is work. Spring forward. Vacation. Okay, so that's the one. And then we've got one for Lorna. this end. Then we've got a Value Pack Sticker Classic. So this one, oh, it's color coded. That is so nice. Ooh, so pretty. I like the greens. Look at that beautiful green. That's so pretty. Then we've got Color Story Classic. So where does it say classic that I can identify it being classic? Because now I've got two. I think it's this one. So many nice pretty stickers. I love it. Ooh. Alright, so this is definitely kicking up my collection significantly. So then I've got a workout one as well. Oh, this is nice. It's got little heart rates in them. Walks, exercise, do your best, work it out, snacks, healthy snack. At the moment, my snacks are not very healthy. Oh, these are nice. So you can pretty much build your own, what do you call it, fitness planner sheet, meal planning. This is quite cool. Eat your veg. I don't really have a problem with eating my veggies. I quite like it. Water total, that's quite good. Oh, this is nice. So you can kind of put down what you need to exercise. This is cool. Alright, so I'll have to spend some more time on those. Alright, then we have the big. So this is a Color Story Big. Okay, so I'm assuming these are for the big, yeah, because they look a bit bigger. But as far as I can understand, you can utilize all the stickers for the classic, and for the mini you just have to kind of make it work. So like this one, because it's for the big, you're going to lose a bit of space, but you can still use it in your classic, which is fine. Ooh, so exciting. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. That's a good thing to keep in mind. Success is not for the lazy. Life is tough, but so are you. That's a couple of nice motivational ones. Yeah, so, okay, so that's for the big. Then we've got the value stickers today. So which one would that be? So this one. Okay, so again, because it was buy one get one, so some of these were discounted prices. Very nice. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Very nice colours. I think Heather loves her florals. Oh, I like this where you have your 1, 2, 3, 4. That's quite cool. Again, there's a lot of, I'm definitely going to need to put some time into actually going through these. A lot of florals in this one. Think happy, be happy. Nailed it. Okay, cool. So that is today is the day sticker book. So that's that one. And then we have, again, one for Luna as well. And then we have Value Pack Stickers Everyday Plans. Again, because I schedule quite a lot of, or plan a lot of to-do type stuff for me, I like my check boxes. Yay! Ooh, I got these. Yay! Oh, look at the pretty hearts. Okay, guys. Well, I don't know whether I bother doing a flip through of the sticker books. I'm still thinking whether or not I want to actually start doing plan with me videos. So if you feel that that would be something nice to do, please let me know. Also, just going back, so the sticker books range from $20 to $40. But again, it was a buy one get one free, so I don't know whether it's still on, but do go check them out. There is a bit of a wait, but what was it, 2 weeks? When did I place my order? 20th of July, 8th of August. So yeah, it's about 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks, something like that. But yeah, that's all my goodies. If you guys want to see me doing some planning videos, I do one for my food, my Jenny Craig food, and then obviously also I add if some of my food are off plan. This week I added a habit trackers to try and eliminate some of the habits that I've currently got in place. I'm still thinking about what kind of reward system I'll put in place. That's still mulling around in my head. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in seeing me doing some planning videos. I am so enjoying the Happy Planner. It's been, I think I'm getting used to using it a bit more often than actually just booking my videos and stuff like that in. But it's been a bit hectic. I'll do a video on that as well and just give you guys an update on what's been going on with me as well. So I'm hoping to do a draw with me and I can give you guys an update. Anyway, thank you very much for checking in, and thank you for sharing all my goodies, woohoo, with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!